Hello and welcome to Saucy Cat. My name is Connor and Thanksgiving is right around the corner. Now things can get a little bit awkward at the table when you're on a plant-based diet, but to ease things up, I have for you a Thanksgiving classic, stuffing vegan style. Let's dive in. So to start us off, we're gonna get a large loaf of Italian bread. I bought mine pre-sliced to save me the time of cutting it myself. Then take those slices, cut those into strips, and then take the strips and cut them into cubes. Put your bread cubes onto a baking sheet and slide them into a 400-degree oven for about 12 minutes. The goal is for the bread to be crispy all the way through, but not burnt. While our bread is baking, we're gonna dice up a bunch of celery and an onion. Now get a large pan on the stove and set it to medium. Melt in some butter and toss in the veggies. Now let's go spice crazy with some salt, pepper, sage, oregano, thyme, parsley, and garlic powder. Stir and simmer for about 10 minutes until the onions are nice and translucent. Take your toasted bread out of the oven and into a large bowl. Add your seasoned veggies and give it a good mix. Once it's evenly mixed, pour in some veggie broth and mix it even more. If you like your stuffing extra moist, add another half cup of broth. Get out a baking dish and spray it down with some cooking oil. Pour in your stuffing and back into your 400-degree oven for 35 to 40 minutes. Now that the stuffing is all golden brown on top, let's plate this dish. Let's go ahead and dive in. Oh yeah. The bread does such a great job of soaking up all the flavors, and the spices give it a real taste to the season. Well, that is going to do it for today. I want to thank you so much for watching. Let us know what are some of your favorite Thanksgiving dishes in the comment section down below. Like and subscribe for future vegetarian and vegan content, and we'll see you next time on Saucy Cat.
We're struggling.
That was a mess.
Round two.
Attempt number 2. Let's hope this one goes better. Oh, jeez.
Ah!
So don't do it that way.